What's up, guys? It's Thursday night. I just taped up part of the front of the car. I had two semi-used rolls of painter's tape to do the front end to keep all the bugs away, because where I live, once you get outside town, it's nothing but just flat farmland, so my headlights attract a lot of bugs, and by a lot I mean like a fuck ton. It is ridiculous out here where I live, and it's very, very annoying. Anytime I travel outside of town, I pretty much have to wash my car. And it's like a 6.5, 7 hour trip we're about to take, so I got it partially done, but not as great as I wanted. Oh well. But I'm about to go in here, watch a couple episodes of Power. I'm gonna drink a couple beers. Hopefully I can knock right out, take a shower, and then we'll be on the road. It's gonna be a long weekend. Well, not really long, a short but long weekend. OKC treated me very well last time. We're gonna have like a little meet and shit get together Saturday night, do some racing, this and that. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. Probably drink some beer, hang out, catch up with my buddy that lives out there. We're gonna stay with him, Cameron. I don't know if you remember him from last year. For the guys that have been here for a while, he had the white WRX. We wound up getting rid of that, and he has two different cars now, and they're both very unique in their own ways. I'm excited to show you guys what they are, but until then, I'll catch you guys in the morning. We're heading out about 5 in the morning, so it's gonna be early. What's up, guys? We are now in OKC. This is one of Cameron's cars back there. It's a Marauder on bags. It's pretty sweet. He also got a Fiesta ST in there he does for autocross. But it's 7 in the morning here. We get up at like 6:15. We're about to go to a Cars and Coffee and then do a German car show of some sort. And there'll be all types of racing and all types of stuff tonight. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a hell of a day here in OKC. You guys see this thing? There's a bagged CTSV, and it's beautiful. This place is like mostly Corvettes. Check out the Camaro here. It's fucking awesome. We're not even halfway through the show yet, and I'm stopping at every car. Look at that. That is cool.
I'm going to switch it in the future. I'm going to switch it from a hydraulic top to the electric spring arm. Be a little faster.
Well, that stuff was pretty cool. That Porsche there at the end was roughly $500,000, 900 plus horsepower. Cam just changed cars. He's got a Fiesta ST as well. We're gonna go to a German auto show. Yep. Huh? Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Yeet. Oh my god. Oh. So this whole thing's like an Oktoberfest, and there's a car show going on. It's like all Volkswagen, Audi, and BMW. So my girlfriend talked me into joining. So I'm gonna pull the car up in here and then I'll show you guys some of the cars. But now I've been driving through the grass and there's like all this grass all over the side of my car, but all right.
What is up, guys? It's been a crazy last couple of days here. OKC, not really crazy, but it's been nice. We're on the base here. I think it's called Tinker, and we got this little industrial area to do some photos. Cameron, it's got the camera skills when it comes to photos, so we're over here. It's actually pretty sweet. It's a little cloudy today too, so we're gonna do some photos and fuck off and then eat and then head out of town. Probably hit the casino for a minute and then be on our way. It's like a 6-7 hour drive-ish, so we're just out here soaking up some sun rays.
How about that weather, Cam?
Pretty good. A little hot, but
it's a little hot.
It's Oklahoma.
What are you doing up there, sweetie? Hey, hi.
I need this camera in my life.
Shit is sweet. We went up there somewhere and took pictures from the sky and stuff. It's really hot. It's hot. Everybody's hot. More pictures. Hi there. We're in a parking garage now. We went and ate and stuff. We're gonna get some cool pictures in here. Maybe get a little video coming down and around. I don't know. It's a nice little afternoon here. We're gonna go to the casino after this probably and then head back. It's like a 5-hour something drive, but just enjoying our Sunday morning in OKC. that trip was pretty freaking awesome. I'm sorry, I should have recorded a lot more. The first day that we got there, I didn't even record anything. We went out to some bars and hung out, did this, that, and then Saturday was mostly going to the shows, and then we spent a hell of a lot of time at the meet that night. I wasn't gonna sit there and record a bunch of dudes that I didn't know in OKC. It was kind of weird, but I made some friends on there, some Volkswagen friends, met some other dudes, gave some people some rides in the car that had another R. Actually, he has a YouTube channel as well, which is pretty cool. Just had an overall great time down there. Just didn't record as much as I should have probably, but we were just relaxing. It was really hot, and then when it's really hot, I don't really even feel like talking on the camera and stuff. So overall, it was a great time. I want you to look at these, check out these pics real quick, and then I'm gonna tag his Instagram. Y'all go down there and follow Cam. He's been a friend of mine for years and years now, but he pulled out the camera, got some really sick shots. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because every single one of these pictures that he took, I'm gonna post one up every day until I post literally all of them. So it's pretty sweet. Had a really good time Sunday, and then we went to the casino. I lost all my money. She came out like, I don't know, way over top of what I didn't make, obviously. So that was fun. Casinos are always fun. And then Eminem dropped that new album, so we jammed out to that quite a bit on the way home. That shit is fire. And then MG came out with that song this morning, firing back at Eminem. So it was pretty entertaining this weekend with all the rap beef going on. I'm excited to see where the stakes is. I love both Eminem and MGK, so seeing two of my favorite people go at it is kind of. I just hope no one gets hurt in the end of it, but it is definitely entertaining to see all the shit going on with that. But thank you guys for watching this coming week. Nothing really going on during the week. I'm still trying to save up money for suspension stuff, coilovers, for the most part, just saving up. But this weekend we got autocross again. It'll be our last night event in Amarillo. The course map just came out, but I'll link that in the next video. But yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully I get better with these tires. Should be a really good time next week. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip flop.